Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering required documents and opening the registration portal or visiting the motor vehicle office. Explain why each item matters. ID confirms identity. Title proves ownership. Insurance and emission records ensure legal roadworthiness. Once you have originals and scans, fill the registration application form with exact VIN and owner details because mismatches cause delays. Make sure to note fee amounts and acceptable payment methods. This speeds the next steps and avoids a wasted trip. You now complete the detailed middle steps. Carefully enter the VIN, name, and address. Small errors trigger rejections. Once done, choose plate type, standard or personalized, and review additional costs. Pay fees using card, e-check, or in-person cashier and retain the receipt. It serves as temporary proof. If you opted for online submission, upload clear scans and confirm upload success. If you chose an appointment, arrive 10-15 minutes early, with originals and receipts. You finish by collecting plates or awaiting mail delivery and verifying that the plate number and registration details match your records. Once confirmed, install plates following the mounting guide to avoid loose fittings. Retain the registration card in the vehicle. If you experience delays or receive incorrect plates, contact the motor vehicle office promptly with your receipt and application reference. Request corrective action or escalation. Remember, persistence and clear documentation resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.